I think we have to do a burnout. I think we have to at this point. So, oh yeah, like look at that. Oh. But this is a big Bertha. We got to fill this up since I have well water. So, just in case. Bro, you're insane. I know. People might say I'm a streamaholic, but I think that's a good thing sometimes. Oh my god. Something fell. Oh yeah, chat. Let's just go. Let's just not even think about the wind right now. Okay. My hood won't even stay up. Oh my god. Yeah, you can see all the sticks. If I drive slow enough, y'all can see the sticks. And all the slush. Yeah, Chance, I am a workaholic. Practically. I mean, this is literally my work. So yeah, I am a workaholic. Oh, wow, there's a tree oh my god, there's a tree down on the trail. GG's, chat. I knew the wind was strong, but I literally did not think that there was going to be a stick down. Holy shit, look at the amount of tree. I can't drive over that. This thing don't got the ground clearance for that. Okay, let's just move around. Dude, that broke clean in half. Not clean, but somewhat clean, I guess. All of this flooding going on. I'm trying to keep the camera as still as possible, but you get the gist of it. I'm just gonna take it slow, unlike what I did in bed. But just, oh my god. The amount of just... Yeah, it's a chance. This is where I live, just in the country, basically. There we go. Jesus. This is why I said you should get a body cam. Oh yeah. Oh, that's all flooded. I was wanting to do an IRL stream outside, but I never had a good reason to. Until right now. So, right here, I mean, I can make it up the hill today. I did not go down this big ass drop off. Oh damn, man, I love the countryside, I'll be honest. Oh yeah. Okay, so chat, right here. This is the big ass hill. You guys can't see, but I'll go down to the ground. Yeah, this hill is kind of steep. Well, you can't see it that much, but it's steep, trust me. Camera doesn't do shit. It's steep. And all of this was covered in snow before. But thank God we have a bunch of rain, so I can go down here and fill up this bottle. So, yeah, I wouldn't be able to make it up it today if there was still snow. But yesterday there was a lot of snow. But right now, I mean, let's, oh my goodness. I'm trying to go down slow, but my goddamn, and, oh, slow down. Ah! Well, chat, the amount of flooding is insane. Like, all of this. Holy shit. Oh god. Dude, that's how deep the water is. God damn. Like, this is the back tire. And it starts to fill the rim. Yo, who's that typed in the chat? I don't know. I'm starting to get to know y'all. Oh, there's some snow. Some snow action. Oh, you've got to be fisting me. I'm stuck, chat. Wait a minute. Hold on. Oh my god. I just saw so many sticks fall over there. And over there. Oh, wow. Oh, god damn it. The fucking... It is Russian. Okay, yep. Oh my god. Oh my god, the snow is so cold. Who would have thought snow is cold? Okay. My toes are cold. Wait, I got it. I have to walk it back. Wait, chat. I have an idea. I'm so... Ah! Ah! My feet are wet. Ah, it's so fucking cold. I hop on this side weigh it down with my body weight. I mean, I'm a big back, so I should be able to do it just fine. Chat, don't try this at home, kids. Pretty sure they understand Russian. Okay, chat, I made it through. I did not want to show that on camera because honestly, I just wanted to get through that shit. But basically, I hopped on the back and started humping the back of it. It's fine. Fuck. Pretty sure the Okay, chat. Oh my god, look at the crick. Look at the crick, chat. Oh shit. Oh my god. Look at all of this water. Dude, chat, I'm gonna blow it up. Yeah, chat, I think I'm blowing it up. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, chat, we're good. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna leave this bitch running. Chance, you could be my translator. Ah! Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall, you stupid bottle. I swear to you. Huh. Okay, chat, I made it up this big hill. Y'all can y'all even see this incline? You can kind of see like it divots this way. It's coming down, I guess. Oh my god. How is this tree still alive? Only at a 90 degree. Oh Lord, have mercy. All of these trees are moving. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh fuck. I can't move my tires. Okay, well that made that. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're good. We're good, everybody. Oh, I just broke a stick off. Okay. We have the water. It's not secure, but it's in there. And we got the full thing. So now I have to make it back with this jug of water without flooding the four-wheeler. Chat, get ready for this shit. This shit's actually about to be cinema. Let me just put this right here, because why not? It's gonna be secure there, so I can actually focus on driving. Chat, get ready. Oh shit, okay. Just go right here. Dude, look how fucking close the water is. Dude, this thing's... Chat, should I just leave it right here? Honestly? Yeah, I should, right? Dude, I actually want to see how bad this water is, but I can see it through there. Yo, that's actually... Okay. Let's, I mean, it still runs, so obviously it's got some to it. Okay, well, couldn't really make it up that. Let's floor it. Yeah, that's so much water, dude. Dude, this whole creek is just... Okay, now let's just haul ass. Oh my lord. Don't hit it. Ah! Okay, there we go, everybody. We just made it past the Big Bertha wind control, whatever the fuck. I don't know, the Big Bertha winds. That's what it should be called. There we go. Oh, it's smoking now. I think that just... There we go, just get some water out. Okay, we're good though, we're good. Oh my goodness gracious. Chat, should I go in there? I'm doing it. Holy shit. I genuinely... Oh fuck. I forgot about the tree. We're just gonna go over this way. There we go. Let's do a burnout, chat. Let's do a burnout. I think we have to do a burnout. I think we have to at this point. So we're gonna lock the brake, and then we're gonna this thing's gonna kill me next time. This thing hates me. Okay. Now I'm having trouble taking off. That's fine. Let me see if I can haul ass. Oh Lord. My foot is covered in fucking shit. I'm flooring it. Hit some of the snow. And then we're gonna turn, and then we're gonna come back right here. There we go. Okay, chat. We got the water. It's safe and sound, yep. And yeah, that's what happened. So yeah, that was really interesting, like actually. Yeah, because I can't stream right now because, you know, the power. Oh my God, dude, that voice crack was insane. Okay, yeah, it's starting to pick up again. So yeah, I will leave y'all off here. Goodbye, everybody. Jesus Christ.